VRA stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this brief and short 1-minute video. Bro, as I'm looking at Vera Bradley, yeah, bro, tongue twister, which is really not, but I'm here pronouncing it wrong. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 42,000 videos over 5 years. It's taken me, 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors to kind of figure out what's working for me. And I mean, all I have to tell you here is that yes, it kind of pumped up 34%, but it does not change the fact that we have like a triple bottom, you know what I mean? So the likelihood that this thing just keeps melting is still quite high. This is my supply area. And if it sort of doesn't pop up and gives me any sort of shift, then I guess I'm not selling really. So yeah, there we go. VRA, that's how it's looking at. I mean, all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting. So if you do want to learn how to make it 5-10K per run trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.